Good afternoon from Middleton. This is a 2019 69 plate Ford Fiesta Titanium X automatic in this beautiful red metallic with a panoramic glass sunroof that slides over the roof of the car. It's in absolutely lovely condition, fantastic colour. It's just two owners with 16,668 miles with a full Ford service history. It's going to be a memory test remembering the spec on this car, but it's got this multi-function steering wheel there with the dashboard controls and cruise control and speed limiter, digital dashboard, good size infotainment screen with DAB tuner, typical Ford apps and CarPlay, which I've tested. It works beautifully with my phone. Automatic climate control, heated seats, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission. The lovely sculptured seats with the leather bolsters and nice cloth, centre armrest, privacy glass to the rear, lovely in the back with ISOFIX for child seats, etc. Very modern car. We've got a good sized boot with overmats, split folding rear seat. I can see the reversing sensors. The car's also got a reversing camera. I'm going to show you inside again. Panoramic sunroof. There's also a blind, centre armrest. Drives absolutely beautifully. It's, as I say, two owners, locally owned car, full service history, low mileage. It's going to be on the website. That's middletonfiat.co.uk, middletonfiat.co.uk, for a beautiful 2019 69 plate Ford Fiesta 1 litre Titanium X automatic in this lovely red metallic with a panoramic glass sunroof. Full information on the website. Thanks for looking.